What's up, guys, and look who's back. It's the 05 Grand Prix base model that I sold. It is back because it has a check engine light on. So let's look into this. I think it's going to be a little interesting, and we'll see what is going on. So the code we've got here is a PO332. This is a Bank 2 knock sensor low voltage code. It's not super common on these cars for knock sensors to fail, though it's possible. So what we're going to do is we're going to get down there and look at it first, look at the wiring and see what we find. Okay, so once you've got the car jacked up and the wheel off, the next thing we're going to do is look for the knock sensor itself. And the only way to see that really is down here from the very bottom. If you look right up there, hopefully it's getting a decent shot of it, but it's right up there. And it looks fine. The wiring right there at it looks okay. But over here, that wire comes out to this harness right here. And right here, it appears to be damaged. Right, I'm gonna see if I can get it where you guys can see it better. There's not a whole lot of give right there, but right here is where it looks like it's like it's bare. So we're gonna have to see what's going on there and see if we can get that figured out. So let me just investigate this a little bit and we'll check right back in. Okay, so right here, as you can see, the connector actually broke off from the wire that goes to the knock sensor. That's right here. You've got this wire that comes from the harness. Then there was a connector on this little blue wire, and that's what broke. So what we're probably gonna do for now is just cut this and splice the two wires straight together. That should take care of the problem for now anyway. So it's really tight in here. That's gonna be hard to do, but that's what I'm gonna try to do, and we'll see how it works. This is what that connector looks like. It broke, the wire broke right here on this end, but that's sitting in there like this, and you just got the little, it comes apart like that. One end goes to the knock sensor, the other one goes into the harness about an inch away. Okay, so now, this is what we've got. I used these bullet connectors to make a little plug, and I just crimped them onto the end of each wire. Now I'm gonna tuck it up out of the way so it doesn't run into this axle. Then we'll reset the light and we will drive it and make sure that the light stays off. Okay, so after a quick buttoning up and resetting the light, I drove it around a little bit. Light didn't come back on, so I think this one is fixed. So that is something to check if that code comes up, because that connector is directly above that axle. Very easy for it to fall down onto that axle, and that can tear it up, and I think that's what happened in this case. So check that before you try replacing the sensor, since that's not a super common thing. But anyway, done for this video. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks so much for watching, and peace.